In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how to make this easy I-cord. Let's take our yarn. So we're going to start with the slip knot, but we won't place the slip knot at the end of the tail. We're going to measure out 4 times the length of what we want our cord to be. So if we want our cord to be 20 centimeters, we'll measure out 80 centimeters and place our slip knot there. So let's say we've got 80 centimeters measured out. Make your slip knot. And we're going to be working with both ends of our yarn, this long tail end and our working yarn. So the tricky bit here is that you're going to have to try to control the tension on both of these ends of the yarn. So we've got our slip knot and we want to start by taking the long tail end and from the front hooking it over our hook. Then we're going to wrap our hook round our working yarn and pull through both. And again, take the long tail end, wrap it round your hook from the front, and then wrap your hook round the working yarn and pull through. And that's all there's to it. Wrap your tail end from the front and wrap your working yarn, pull through both. Again, nice and slow. Take your tail end, wrap it round your hook from the front, hold it, then wrap your hook round your working yarn and pull through both loops. Let's do a few more. Now the trick is to hold both these bits of yarn and also somehow your cord. I mean, you don't have to hold your cord, but I do like to. Just take your time and keep checking your stitches. If they're not uniform and you're not happy with some of them, just unravel it to the point that you're happy with and then carry on. There we go.